Hi, I'm Max, a project coordinator at Upkeep. In this demo, I'll explain how you can implement condition-based maintenance through Upkeep's integration with Agil's Systems fleet tracking and management platform. With condition-based maintenance, your fleet monitoring sensors and software do all the work for you in identifying potential failures and lets you take immediate action so that you don't have to worry about checking up on your fleets every hour or so. With condition-based maintenance, you can increase asset uptime by 30%, reduce unexpected failures by 55%, and save 25% in maintenance costs. Our integration with Agility Systems enables you to implement condition-based maintenance for your fleets so that your fleets remain at optimal health. Here are 3 out of the many things you can do with our integration. DTC alerts from Agility can automatically trigger work orders in Upkeep. Mileage readings from Agility can automatically trigger work orders so that you can perform recurring mileage-based vehicle inspections. Lastly, GPS location from Agility can update the location of your fleets in Upkeep, all in real time, so that you can assign work orders to technicians in the local area. To demonstrate a simple example, here's how you can use Zapier to automate your recurring mileage-based inspections. 1. Set up a meter for your truck mileage. 2. In this meter, set up a work order trigger to perform an inspection every 10,000 miles. 3. Create a Zap in Zapier to update the meter with mileage data from Agility Systems Links Up GPS tracker. And you're all set. You can now sit back, relax, and let the GPS tracker do the work for you. To check out more integrations, explore our app marketplace on upkeep.com/integrations or contact us through our website.